Well, right after the rains have been wreaking havoc in Delhi, now this is the aftermath that has been reported. Let's get you the pictures from AIIMS, which is the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and the trauma center that has also been flooded. That has also affected when it comes to surgeries and the patient's treatment there. Well, Sabyasachi, this is the state of affairs that has now been looking at one of the topmost hospitals in the country.
Well, absolutely. See, the sad state of affairs that had been witnessed here in the national capital, where AIIMS, which is one of the top most government hospital here in the national capital and in the country as well, witnessing such situation after a few hours of rain. Water has entered into several departments of the AIIMS, which has halted the functions of the AIIMS, as well as the OTs could not be able to function yesterday because of power failure, the air condition not working. So this were the pictures that were coming in from AIIMS. See, not only the AIIMS but several other hospitals here in the national capital were affected due to waterlogging yesterday, where immediately after such pictures came in, we had seen that a high-level meeting was chaired by the Delhi government officials. On one hand, the LG also had chaired an important meeting, but we are seeing that year after year this is becoming a picture of the national capital where of continuous rain, waterlogging situation presides over the national capital. People of the national capital have to suffer a lot because the roads are completely logged with water. There has been kilometers of traffic jam, and unfortunately people are losing their life because of the rains yesterday. So far around 8 people have lost their life, but here the main question arises is that the government is not taking enough proactive measures to tackle with the situation, because when they are aware of the fact that whenever it rains continuously in the national capital, waterlogging issue comes up, then why not take proactive measures earlier to tackle with this sort of measures? Because the hospital, if you talk about the hospital, which has been completely standstill because of the rain and waterlogging situation, a lot of the patients might have faced a lot of difficulty.
When it comes to operations that need to be done, surgeries that need to be done, as far as the patients who have been waiting for hours, now we are told